Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I am real excited to show this small business purchase I made of this wonderful company called Leopard Leatherworks. Now, I did show a pen video probably a week or two ago. It was this wonderful pen. They turn pens as well and other items that they sell on their shop. So I saw that they had other, different kind of items they sell. I want to say things they sell, and I fell in love when I saw this. They have a YouTube channel and they'll do lives of items, whether turning pens or other items that they'll make with resin and other kind of materials. I'm gonna put the pen aside real quick. And I fell in love when they showed kind of a preview of a tray. Oh my goodness, I fell in love with that tray. I love the design. I love the large size of it. So they said that if we were interested in, purchasing one, they'll reach out to you, work with you through email, what kind of color, any kind of specifics you'd want with the tray. I fell in love with the original one they showed. It was a pink color. And I told them I want the same one, but in blue. Electric blue, to be exact. So they did have a live that showed, I believe it was my tray, really quickly, but I unfortunately wasn't able to catch the video. But they did send it out, and I received it a couple days ago. Just haven't had a chance to, show it to y'all. And I love the box it came in. It was really well packaged, really sturdy. I put the labels. This is label paper I put on top because it had all of my address pretty much posted everywhere. So, privacy. It has really cute stickers of their company as well as cute little stickers on the side. I think that is so cute. So, yep, that's pretty much it. So, let's open it. Oh my goodness, that is really secure. That is a lot of bubble wrap. And when they shipped it over, I received it through UPS. So I was worried, if it goes through the post office, it's just not going to fit in my little mailbox. No, fortunately, it was through UPS. Oh, yay, they put more candy. So it's just a cute little drawstring bag. I believe it's their business card. Oh, yeah, it's their business card and information about their social media and all of that. Let me get that a little closer for you. And there we go. And this wonderful item, I'll make sure to put the link and everything in the description below. If maybe you're interested in a tray as well, or a pen. As I said, they turn pens as well. And I love that they put these caramels. Oh my goodness, I love these caramels. I ate all the ones they gave in my little pen. So I love that they included these in my little tray. It's a little drawstring. Really love these little baggies too. And this is the tray. Oh my goodness, it is really securely packaged. And I believe that was it. Yeah. And they put it on the bottom as well to help at the bottom of the box. Because as we know, whenever we're receiving packages, sometimes when they're being placed down, not the most gentle manner. So let me just close the box real quick. Put it aside over here. And this is the wonderful tray. Oh my goodness, it's really bubble wrap. Really, oh no, it's popping off. I was wondering, I should have gone scissors. It's kind of slipping off. The tape's slipping off of the bubble wrap. It's really because of the plastic. Oh, there we go. Ooh, it is really nicely packed. And as I said, I was super worried of this tray to come in, and I was worried it might have, broke or chipped or anything, because, how packages get moved around and everything. Here we go. Ooh, that is a lot of tape. I should never worry in the future when I'm going to order anything else. And yes, I am going to order something else later on. That I don't have to worry about it coming any, let's say injury. Any kind of damage on the item for this bubble wrap is really secured. And honestly, I didn't want to tear it. Let me get scissors for this because it is really nicely packed. So give me a moment. I have scissors here on the side. Whoop. Little craft scissors. Ooh, I don't drop everything. I really wanted to see if I can unwrap it, but it does not want to work with me, so I'll just cut wonderful little little bubble wrap so we can see the tray. I already see how blue it is. I'm so excited by the color. And yeah, she reached out to me. It was actually Ms. Carrie Costello that reached out to me. And she just emailed me asking me specifics what kind of the DMC color, because I had said electric blue. I found the DMC color for it. She did color, you know, comparisons to make sure it matches that color. And there is glitter in this tray because I really wanted glitter as well. Ooh. Oh my goodness, it is really, really sturdy. So she showed me examples of glitter and other type of powders they will use. And oh my goodness, that is so pretty. And yeah, that is so neat. And it's a really sturdy tray, as you can hear. And yeah, you can see the layers. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. I haven't opened it. This is actually the first time I'm seeing it. And you can see the bottom of where it's settled. The wonderful, beautiful. That is really electric blue, as you can see. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. I love the glitter. She showed me an example of what glitter they would use, and I fell in love when she showed the glitter. And I really wanted it in the tray. As you can see, the edging is a nice, wonderful, kind of a pearlescent kind of effect, as you can see. It makes me think of Dove soap. You know, the bar soap, if you use it after a while, it does this wonderful little effect. That's what it makes me think of. Sorry, that's just my imagination. I don't think they were going for that effect, but that's how I see it. But I love it. And I love that they include little kind of covers for the feet. So when I'm pressing it here, when I'm placing it here, ooh, nice and secured, and it doesn't move. Sorry, I still have the plastic wrap on my light pad, so you see plastic moving everywhere. That's because of that. So the tray is really large. Let me measure it for you all. They gave me measurements, but I'll be honest, I kind of forgot. So we'll measure it in inches. I was going to do centimeters, but yeah, it's 10 inches wide. And the height is 7 inches. Oh my goodness, this is really big. And I love that it's really thick too. Real thick and sturdy, as I said. And I just love the effects. And I didn't ask for anything specific. It was kind of artist choice a bit. So they mixed around, poured all the color and everything. And oh my goodness, I just love how it came out. What I'm planning to use for this tray. Now, it can be a really big, you know, pen tray if you wish to use it. I have several pens. I can use it on the side. But the original idea I had for this wonderful tray, I've been using a lot of these little trowel brick boxes, and I'm always scared that I'm going to lose one. So currently I'm using these for my stardust painting, and I love these little boxes, but I never have a good spot to put them. So I thought, why don't I just get a tray to hold all my little trays? That sounds kind of funny. And as I said, I totally forgot about the measurements. So, and I'm not planning, you know, I didn't expect it to fit it perfectly. I just want to have it in the side, so when I'm working, I'm grabbing my tray, because I unfortunately cannot still find my tray tower. I still cannot find that poor thing. So I just thought, ooh, let me use the little tray to hold all these little boxes. And they stack so perfectly. If you've never used these little trowel bricks, I don't know what to call them, tray bricks or trowel bricks. And yeah, they all stack perfectly straight. But I thought, why don't I just put them in a tray? And I can just keep stacking as many as I'm using. And to me, whenever I was stacking and I'm painting, as you can see, I drew the little symbol and the DMC of the color. So I try to keep all the symbols together. So if there's a round, for example, anything with a dot, I put the dots together. And we all have our own system. Apologies, that's just kind of mine. And oh my goodness, that is so perfect. Oh, that is so, so perfect. And this is what I actually wanted to do. Or I could just put them standing. Oh, actually I could put them standing. But if I want to put them standing, I'm going to have to label them on the side. Oh, I didn't think of that. I was thinking of laying down, but actually I kind of like this idea. Apologies, I know the point of this is to show the tray, but I just really wanted to show what I was going to use the tray for. And this little wonderful little order of trowel bricks, it came with a set of 20 boxes. And I recently ordered another Amazon package with more, because I kind of want to keep using these little small boxes. And oh my goodness, they fit perfectly in this tray. Oh yeah, I would have 2 rows. Oh my goodness, I love this tray. I'm going to say it a bunch of times. Sorry, y'all. I'm going to shake it a bit. I love how they slide around. And apologies if you hear all the thumping. It's my upstairs neighbors. I love this tray. And it's doing exactly what I was hoping it would do. Especially this was, as I said, this was my original idea for it. And you can use it for anything you want. For me, I just really wanted to use it for the trays. And it doesn't just have to be this kind of specific tray. It can be any kind of tray. I have some, this is another painting I'm working on the side. I have some of these Diamond Art Club wonderful trays. Oh, they fit as well. Oh, I kind of like that. I don't have a lot of these, so it's just a couple will fit, but same idea. I just love that it fits perfect with the trawl bricks. I'm going to be honest, after this video, I'm going to put everything in here and I'm going to paint. So yeah, that's what I really wanted to show today. This wonderful tray. And it's real sturdy, as I said. And it's just, oh my goodness, I just really love it. And I did not expect it was going to come out this way. And I am more than pleased with the final result. And the quality of it is just so nice. Oh my goodness. I'm going to be real careful with it. So I'm going to save my little packaging. So, because since I do move around a bit, just to make sure it's nice and secured, since I do trust that little box, because it came to me safely from its home. Oh my goodness, I really love this tray. I'm gonna stop saying that. And as I said, all this information I put in the description below. This wonderful tray is your cup of tea as well. I really hope it is. It's really useful, and you can use it for, as I said, any other things. And I think I'm repeating, so I just want to put the trays. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty, and I love the effect. So thank you so much, Leopard Leatherworks. I am so happy with the final result. I am so happy with the quality of this product. And trust me, I am going to put a couple more orders in. Probably pretty soon. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like, comment, and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do. Accessory trays and all. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.